Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to delete the background of images without a program. Step 1. Let's go to the site I gave in the description to delete the background of the pictures without a program. Step 2. Then let's upload it to the official site. As you can see in the Step 3 video, the background has been completely cleared. Step 4. Let's click on this section to make extra settings. Step 5. Let's adjust the size of our brush from here. Step 6. If there is an irregular part that looks like it is sticking out, let's adjust it with our brush. Step 7. Click Done. Step 8. Let's click Download and download our image. Step 9. Let's compare our pictures. Step 10. As you can see, the background of our image has been completely cleared.